It's time to get rid of your antiquated degree wheel. Introducing the CamLogic Digital Degree System, the revolutionary way to precisely degree a camshaft. The CamLogic system calculates cam lobe centerline to within 1/10 of a degree and in record time, which translates to increased horsepower and torque. Here's a brief demonstration of how it operates. First, we need to mount the encoder on the crank snout using the hardware supplied with the kit and the correct crankshaft adapter for your engine. Plug in the display and turn the power switch on. Next, mount a piston dial indicator, in this case on the number 1 piston. We are now ready to start. The first step is to calibrate the CamLogic system so that top dead center always equals 0. We do that by rotating the engine in a clockwise direction to an indicator value before top dead center, typically 50 thousandths. Then press the BTDC button. Continue rotating the engine in a clockwise direction until you reach the same indicator value. Again, in this case, 50 thou after top dead center. Press the ATDC button. The CamLogic system is now calibrated so that top dead center of the number 1 piston, where the value equals 0 in both your indicator that you can set as well as on the display. Next, place a cam lobe indicator in the exhaust port to find exhaust lobe centerline. Rotate the engine in the normal direction and stop at a value before max lift, typically 50 thousandths, and push the position 1 button. Continue rotating the engine past max lift to the same indicated value, again 50 thousandths, and push the position 2 button. Crankshaft degrees at lobe centerline is now displayed. From this point, you can now profile the entire cam. In this case, the exhaust cam. You can check the crankshaft degrees at any indicator value before or after lobe centerline. For example, 20 thousandths before lobe centerline or 50 thousandths after lobe centerline. You can repeat this process now by relocating the cam lobe indicator in the intake lifter bore. Top dead center or 0 does not need to be recalculated. Going through the same process that we did with the exhaust valve, pick an indicator value before max lift and push the position 1 button. Rotate the engine to 50 thou after max lift and push the position 2 button. Crankshaft degrees at lobe centerline of the intake cam will now be displayed. Unlike using a degree wheel, the CamLogic system allows the camshaft and the timing gear to be completely accessible throughout the degreeing process. Camshaft adjustment and removal can be accomplished without having to disassemble the CamLogic system from the engine. You can repeat this process throughout the rest of the engine to degree the complete camshaft. It's that simple.